much of this pepper?
I'm Bobby Hills. Welcome to my channel. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Hi besties, looking for where to revamp your hairs? Look no further. You can visit us on number 3 Castanala Street, High Level, Benue State, Makurdi. You can also reach us on our WhatsApp number, which is 080 37 53 47 70. Besties, so look at this beautiful hair we just revamped. Are your hairs bad? Are your hairs very... Hi, Pumpkin. Pam Pam. Good morning. Good morning. Pam Pam. Tex. Baby. Good morning. So you're stretching your body. Eh? How was your night? How was your night? Fine. That's my boo-boo. Boo-boo don't want to wake up. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. Wakey, wakey. Boo-boo, how are you? Hug your mama now. So I learned it's not everyone that likes pork meat, but voila, guess what? Pork meat is one of my favorite meats. So a sister of mine owns a restaurant nearby. I usually go there to see her and help her from time to time. She does very good pork meat with hot pepper and pounded yam. So each time I go there, I help her to do 1 or 2 things, and voila, she gives me something to eat. Can you see? She gave me a free plate of food. Who wouldn't go for a free plate of food? Guess what? Me. But she didn't quite know why. Yeah. Now, it's already, don't worry. But I have a motor to my meal. I'll wait drive, I'll wait to go. I think Nyaki wicked Kirajula. Even I have connected. Now, yes. If I have a pack of hair, but driving your Yawa. No one for that driver, Nigeria. I will want for Sarah. Now I'm negating, and I'm not going to material the one. Now I'm the hair and that year on. Karami mama nyora mi ma pine kanyi mo ro wo pe mo ma no ro abe driver pa se driver yi ni driver pa lo an. How much of this pepper? Give me one. I will call later. Wow, can you see that, man? Thank God for life. Market is fun. See all kinds of people. What's up? guys, I came to church to praise the Lord for my life and the life of my family. So church is over and I'm going back home. Ciao ciao. What? You're going back home from church. See ya. Bye. Bye. Happy Sunday. Wave at them now. Kiss kiss. Mwah. Kiss kiss. Mwah. Okay. So guys, I made a pot of egusi soup with bitter leaf, yeah, and cow meat. Can you see? I have to put salt to make sure that the draw will not draw again. That looks like saliva, and not soft to wash it away. So guys, this is the fish. Very crunchy, very crispy. Can you hear that? Now they feel Wahala for who knows sabi cook.
Mommy.
Hi besties. So guess what? I got a phone for myself because I've been a very, very good girl and I've been very, very hard working. You know, I need an extra phone for my extra work. Very, very important. Okay. So I got this phone. The name is TechnoSpark 50 and the phone is super, super solid. I think to an extent because everyone recommended this, so I had to go for this. Check it out, color gray. I love my phone already. I can't wait to start using it to shoot more content for you guys. Okay. What next? A pouch, charger. Isn't that amazing? What kind of pouch is this? Okay. Pouch is, wow. Hello. Hello. What language is that? Hola. Chinese? Whatever. I don't know. Hello again. Oh. Okay. Welcome. This is